Hello everyone. Welcome to day 101 of the 1000 days of no code challenge. For the past 100 days, we explored from scratch to how do we go live with our web development projects. I hope you all got a lot of value from that series, but we have to take a slight turn now because 1000 days is not just about app development. It's about anything and everything that we can do without writing a single line of code, which can enhance our productivity and efficiency. So, for the next 3 weeks, we are going to work on no-code automation. That is anything that we are doing on a day-to-day basis, which is repetitive, time-consuming, and boring. Let's see how we can automate that without writing a single line of code. So for the next 3 weeks, we will discover what automation is, how can we automate without writing code, what are the tasks that we can think of automating, why we should not think of automating a few things, and multiple such questions. So we will break this down as first week being understanding the basics of automation and how simple workflows work. And then the second week will be intermediate level where we see some filters and a few other things. The final week will be some complex automations. So overall, what I can promise is if you follow along for the next 3 weeks, most of the things that you do on a day-to-day basis, which happens online, can be automated without writing a single line of code. So I welcome you to be a part of this journey and follow along for the next 3 weeks. Share this video with your family, friends, and colleagues who are looking to automate their day-to-day activities so they can concentrate on things that matter the most. Thank you so much once again, and I look forward for you joining this series with me and the ABCD community.